right, boys and girls, welcome to Tuesday. And that is a day in the Wish Week. Okay, guys, so we're middle in the Wish Week, and now we have a song that is a little special. We're gonna come to that first, but you wish for songs during this week or before this week, and now we're here, and I'm gonna help you to learn that song. And the thanks I appreciate and want and ask to get back from you is to go and subscribe to my new channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Yes, keep mentioning that because I need your help. So I give you one song now. I want your voice on Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm going to put the link up here somewhere. And go and subscribe. You're going to learn a full song there from A to Z, chords shown, a full playthrough. Just follow along. That's a new way of handling a song and learn it. So, yeah, thank you so much. Now, let's go to this day's wish. And we have you, Aisha Soa. I think that is your name. You asked for Hermanos Gutiérrez, Los Navegantes. I think that is close pronunciation. Never heard this before, and this is a little different song. And when I pick songs for Wish Week or Wish Wednesdays, I'm not focusing on the songs with the most views. I want to bring in some a little bit different and maybe some special songs somewhere here and there. So this one is nothing on your normal radio channel or so. I don't believe so. It's a pretty kind of instrumental song. Yes. So I want to have this one, and therefore we picked it. Aisha Sowa. Let's go into this, and we're gonna use a capo on third. So capo on third fret, absolute best scenario. And with that, we have let's see, I believe 7 chords. Yep, 7 chords. So let's start with the chords. We have E first, open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the F, which is the bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then you take that grip, almost the same, and go over to this position. Index finger now on the third fret, pushing down all strings there. And then you need to add fifth A and fourth G. That will be your G7. Okay? Then we're gonna have a special one. It goes like this. Yeah, it's a D minor 7 / A. Okay, so what you do here is to play fifth E, the bass, then fifth A, then third D, and fifth G. And then the rest you can stay away from that. So 4 strings is what you need. That is the D minor 7 / A. Okay. Then we have the F major 7 / A. Okay. So it's open A, then third D, then second G, first B, and open E. Then we're gonna move on to the A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, in the bridge later on, we have the D minor 7. That will be open D, second G, first B, and first E. And that last first B and E, I place a short little bar like this with my index finger. You don't have to go in with all your fingers. You can if you want to, but I don't. So, like this. And there we have all the chords. Now, let's learn the strumming. And if you grab the first chord, E, you have a strumming that goes down, down, up, up. So, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. To get the right feeling and rhythm going on, I play on the bass strings on the downs and on the higher strings on the ups. So kind of answering, alternating, strumming in a way. So that is one strumming round, down, down, up, up. Now, we have a lot of chords and a lot of strumming rounds on each and every chords, mainly. So don't be afraid. I'm gonna just highlight right now. We have basically two different chord progressions, and I cannot separate in the song what is the verse or chorus. Maybe it isn't, it's just a kind of instrumental song, but you're gonna notice we have two different chord progressions, so two things to learn basically here. So we're gonna start with the first one, so that is to stay on the E for 12 rounds. So 8. That. And in my head, when I have a lot of numbers to go through when it comes to strummings and all that, I usually think in groups of 4. I don't count, but I just feel when it's time, and this is one of these songs, okay? So E12, then F4, then back to E12, then F4, and then E8. And that is the first chord progression. So it goes E, F, E, F, E, okay? So 12, 4, 4, 12, 4, and 8. That is the first thing you need to learn, and you're gonna play this once. Then you go into the second kind of chord progression, and that is to go into this D minor 7, 2, then G7, 2, then F major, 2, the F major slash A, then A minor, 2, then F4, and E4. Alright, and that is the second chord progression. At this point, you're gonna play it twice, so let's do one round together again. So this D minor A, and so on, do that twice. That was the second round. Now we're gonna go back and play that first chord progression with the E, F, E, F, E, and play that once again. We don't have to do that. We know how it's done now. And then we're gonna jump back to play this the D minor slash A, the second chord progression, again for 2 rounds. So you see, it goes back and forth with these two main chord progressions. After that, you're gonna hit the bridge part. I believe it's like 2 minutes and 18 seconds in. Now you're gonna play E4, then D minor 7, 4, and E4. Now you're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So repeat that again: E4, D minor 7, 4, and E4. And then you basically gonna play the final parts of this song, and that is to play that chord progression that starts with the D minor 7 slash A. Sorry. I played it once. Now you're gonna play for 3 rounds, and after that 3 rounds you're gonna stay on that E and play another 32 string rounds on that E. You just stay on that E. Now, of course you cannot count. You can, but I mean it's tough. So 32 times. Again, I think in groups of 4, and basically at this point you don't have to count or anything. It just fades out with these 32 rounds, and then you're gonna end with 1 down on that A, and that's it. So Los Navegantes, no clue what that means. but still a cool song. And thank you, Aisha Soa, for being here on this channel and highlighting this one. This was special for you, so I really appreciate if you go in and subscribe to my new channel, Going Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Love that. So thank you, and hope to see you soon, guys. Everybody, this is a cool week, so let's keep on wishing and building this up together. See you soon. Play tuned.